Yeah, I've been dealing with this spirit, you know. They say I'm from Ohio, you know. One time he say I'm a handicap, abuse, like, I'm a correct and this, Every time somebody using the bathroom, saying is one time, Palestine, I'm fighting jihad, I'm FBI, snitching on the phone and all that, And it's nothing I'm hiding, just driving the truck, Just driving the truck. So, yeah, and then somebody say Maria, all that blaming assassination, Say SSR, you say I'm crazy, telling people I'm crazy, He's fine, slow and crazy, his smile is slow, it's crazy, Bono, rice. I went to Walmart, he's telling people rice. These people just selling rice, eating rice and selling rice, Going around, I don't even eat rice, Not like that, So, yeah, he just, up there, down, up, striker, Yeah. So people are making money, they're just on the road, trying to make a living. And they're here. Toroka, one of them is Africa from Kenya. Made, Toroka, that African, she smelled really bad, Mexican insulted me, call me with the names, because she follow me everywhere I go. Sihebi, Toroka, she's the one telling these people, he doesn't want to leave my truck, Sihebi, Toroka, this is, say really bad, provocative smell. I go to the Mexican stores, restaurant, this, just to look around, They just calling me with the names, Cansado, they call me Cansado, because of that, bad breath, Cansado, scratching, And that's why, it's just justification afterward, and then mouth movement, saying I'm crackhead, Yeah, that black lady, African, an Indian, all that. They taking turns, man. That's why you confuse every time I put video for that incident, and then another one take turns, They taking turns, As we go, as I go into, different states, taking the load, they changing, they change, like playing games, like playing football, taking one, bringing one inside my truck, taking one out, bringing one, blaming this, blaming that, pointing finger on this, Yeah, so yeah, I called police how many times, I don't know, this week, They say he's a police officer. I'm calling police. He say I'm calling police on police. I didn't say police. This is one day FBI, one day police. Somalian. Yeah, down and up, down and up. Every day, $20. I want $20. Yeah, so it's been like that the whole week, Yeah, I get very tired. They make me very tired, Exhaustion, exhaustion and fatigue, laziness, Yeah, I stop putting videos now, you know, because you know it's just justification, you know. You know, I bought something here, you know. They always wanna fight me, you know, cause problem with other people I don't even know, you know. Today, you know, somebody tried to strike me or jump me, a couple people. So I bought this for defense, you know. Yeah, so so I'm here in Florida. It's called Apopka, Florida. It's a very suburb. So I got here yesterday. I got early here. They wouldn't take my load, so I'm waiting for them to call me so I can drop this load, you know. I can drop this load. Yeah, so you know, I never see this envy and jealousy, you know. You know, most of this stuff from New York, you know, like magnetic, you know, attached like magnetic, don't leave, you know, and here up behind, here on the floor, you know. Yeah. So I called the police, they exit. Again, 10 miles I drive, end in gear, come back. Police left already. It's been like that the whole week, you know. It's been like that the whole week. Very manipulative, you know. Yeah, so yeah, so I think that's it, you know. I'm just gonna chill a little bit here, you know, chill, hopefully they call me, drop this load. I don't have a lot of hours, you know, just go reset until tomorrow. Maybe I get a load tomorrow and leave Florida, you know. Yeah, it's like this. One day we're here, that's why they tailgate me, tagging me from New York, from Columbus. These people, they are back and forth, you know. I don't know, they're overthrowing the government, what they fighting war, what's their motive, you know. I'm just working with this, that's it, you know. I'm working with what I have here on the road. That's all I'm working with. I have no idea what's their motive, what's their intent, you know. A lot of times abusing somebody and making a laughing market out of him. Laughing market out of him, you know. Laughing market out of him, you know. They told him he's sober today. I just turned the radio, something through the radio. No, you know that people like to speak in between the radio. They tell him he's sober, you know. I guess he's fighting to get sober here, you know. And they say in terrorist jihad, police, FBI, Jew, Ethiopia, Oromo, you know. Basement, you know. Coming from the basement, you know. From the basement to the living room, up and down, you know. Yeah, so I'm gonna try to get a rest. Maybe they call me, I don't know, you know. I'm gonna try to remind them, you know. So I'm gonna try to remind them and call them, drop this load and then take care of yourself, man. Until next time.